Today we're going to be talking about family law issues, issues that are part of the decisions made by the Pennsylvania Superior Court. And this is one of the series of discussions about the role of the Pennsylvania Superior Court. Hello, my name is Judge Judy Olsen. I am currently a judge on the Court of Common Pleas of Allegheny County, but I am also a candidate for the Pennsylvania Superior Court and will be on the ballot this November 3rd. I am here to talk about a very important issue. What could be more important than our children, our marriages, our families? And family law is an important area that the Superior Court of Pennsylvania deals with. So I will first be talking about the role of the Pennsylvania Superior Court, the types of family law issues that the Superior Court decides, and the importance of those cases. And I will highlight a few very important cases. Now, the Superior Court of Pennsylvania is in reality the first appellate court for most parties. Most losing parties take their immediate appeals from the trial court level to the Superior Court. So, in essence, most criminal and civil cases are appealed directly as of right to the Pennsylvania Superior Court. So needless to say, it's a very busy court. In 2008, the Pennsylvania Superior Court heard more than 7,000 appeals. From those, only approximately 90 cases were then appealed from the Superior Court to the Pennsylvania Supreme Court. So not only is the Pennsylvania Superior Court the first appellate court of right for most parties, it in essence is the last appellate court, the court of last resort. Of the 7,000 or 8,000 appeals that were taken to Superior Court, approximately 800 or 900 of them dealt with family law issues. So it doesn't seem like there are that many cases that go to the Superior Court that deal with family law matters. But again, what could be more important than family law cases? At the trial level, there are two types of family law matters. There are juvenile cases and there are adult family cases. In most of the trial courts throughout the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, judges sit not only as civil division judges or criminal judges, but also family law judges. They hear all types of cases. In the larger counties, Allegheny County and Philadelphia County, for example, there are divisions and judges specialize in those areas. And the areas that are dealt with respect to family law involve things such as juvenile delinquency and probation, domestic violence, termination of parental rights, adoption, child and spousal abuse, divorce and equitable distribution, and custody. These are areas of law that go specifically to the details of human beings' lives, their families, and very, very critical issues. As a result, the Superior Court looks very closely at these cases, not only because they impact the particular family that may have their case before the court, but also because there are wide-ranging issues that will impact families throughout the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. Recently, the Superior Court has heard some very important issues that deal specifically with family law matters. Cases involving, for example, grandparent rights. The Superior Court was asked to consider what are the rights of a grandparent for both custody and visitation. Another very, very important issue that the Superior Court recently addressed dealt specifically with custody issues involving gay and lesbian couples when they go their separate ways and have adopted a child. Who has the rights for custody? What are the rights for visitation? Additionally, cases such as surrogate mothers. Again, once the baby is born, if there is a dispute, who has the rights? The surrogate mother or the adoptive family? Again, the Superior Court has been faced with those issues. And then such issues that impact distribution of assets. Very, very complex cases such as pensions, such as businesses that are divided once a couple divorces. These are critical issues not only to the individuals for whom the case is being heard, but to all of us, all of the families in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania. I hope you enjoyed this lecture with respect to the family law issues that go before the Pennsylvania Superior Court. And I hope you will also take the time to listen to the other lectures that will be held with respect to the role of the Superior Court.